Welcome to my class. Lesson: sentences used for cooking. Sentence is: I walk to the kitchen. I walk to the kitchen. The next sentence is: I am cooking in the kitchen. I am cooking in the kitchen. The next sentence is: I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. The next sentence is: I wash my bowl. I wash my bowl. The next sentence is: I wash my spoon. I wash my spoon. The next sentence is: I take milk out of the fridge. I take milk out of the fridge. The next sentence is: I put the pot on the stove. I put the pot on the stove. The next sentence is: I boil the water. I boil the water. The next sentence is: I put the pan on the stove, cook the noodles. The next sentence is: I smell the food. I smell the food. The next sentence is: I take the cookies out of the oven. I take the cookies out of the oven. The next sentence is: I close the fridge door. I close the fridge door. The next sentence is: I put the lid on the pot. I put the lid on the pot. The next sentence is: I have a sharp peeler for the carrots. The next sentence is: I put butter on the bread. I put butter on the bread. The next sentence is: I put the food on the table. I put the food on the table. The next sentence is: I finish my breakfast. I finish my breakfast. The next sentence is: I feel very full. I feel very full. The next sentence is: I clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. The next sentence is: I take out the trash. I take out the trash.